कोटा आम 31 आमकां एक ऑर्डर मेळ्ळी. सो ती ऑर्डर डिस्कस करपाक आमी इमिजिएटली येवन सांगलें आमी एक मिटींग कन्व्हीन करुया आनी ती ऑर्डर आमी कौन्सिला मुखार प्लेस केली. सो ती कौन्सिला मुखार आमी प्लेस केली. देर वॉज अ डिस्कशन ऑन दॅट, लॉट ऑफ डिस्कशन रिगार्डींग हाव टू गो अबाउट इन फ्युचर, बिकॉज आमकां ऑर्डरी प्रमाणे वी इट ऑलरेडी मेन्शन्ड जाल्यार हांव कॉपी दिता वॉट ऑनरेबल कोर्ट हॅज डायरेक्टेड अस टू डू वील आय वील गिव. सो हाजे मुखार कितें करपाचें आनी कशें वचपाचें तें आमी डिस्कशन जालें. आनी तातूंत म्हणल्यार कितें आमचे सीओन ऑलरेडी तांकां तांचें ऑपरेशन कशें चलता कितें करता तें सगळें एक लेटर केल्लें आहा काल केलां आयज केलां डिटेल मागपाक तांचे कडेन तें कितें काम करता कितें सगळें with after getting that report our team will go and check that what they have said is correct. Parallelly we'll check that and we'll see that what is going on. आणि दुसरें म्हणल्यार तें आमचें तेंच्यांनी सजेशन तें 1 lakh आहा तो एकदम चड आहा. सो वी टू आस्क request whether we can ask from 25,000 or something like that.
No, so you will request to
Honorable court
on 30th of
after
September.
that.
No, but in the meantime, the court order says within a week's time you have to start the payment.
That will either to
So the 1 lakh will go.
that the order of Honorable High Court, Honorable District Court will be implemented in letter and spirit.
No, but who?
It has fallen from the honorable court. We will have to adhere it.
Now this bargaining start after September 30th.
After 30th of September.
You will move the court that time.
No, but
This payment will go.
Yeah,
But who decided on the 1 lakh amount?
You please go through the honorable order of the honorable court.
No, but
No, you
but
you
that
you
1 lakh
you
is
have
what
to
actually
you have to go through this entire judgment. You have to
No, I'm not
you
saying
have to
that
read.
the judgment has
No,
been-
I will not.
No, judgment has
Go
been
through
judgment has
para
been
number
passed
5.
after your advocate said that we will pay 1 lakh.
Was it your
So-
submission or it was?
Was it your submission or court's order?
Go through para number 5, 6 and 7.
कॉमेंटमेंट डिमांड केलं होतं 1 लाख म्हणून
5, 6, 7. You just go through it. It is matter is sub judice. That is end of the story. Today we have received a bill of 22 lakhs and that is for the month of August. From 10th, I believe, I think 10 till 31st.
So हांगा आमी येयल्यार आमकां दिसून येता की ऑलरेडी दे हॅव सेट अप देअर मायंड दॅट इट हॅज टू बी पेड. वी डिड नॉट सी इवन अ सिंगल अटेम्प्ट where they would say like we will try and see whether it can be reviewed. They are talking about that date after 30th September. For them 30th September is a date, but for us taxpayers 30th September means 53 lakhs. From 9th of August till 30th of September it is 53 lakhs. Secondly, you might have noted councillors have been very vocal about nothing being happening at Swansdown. They say that nothing is happening, only the garbage is dumped there and it is shifted by the company. So knowing all these facts, what makes you agree to pay 1 lakh? You are only admitting at your council meeting. We have not seen there whether it is functioning or not. You yourself are saying that nothing is happening at the site. Then what makes you agree to pay 1 lakh per day? This is another thing. So finally, I think it is high time that the citizens have to intervene in this matter, and if required, we will also make the entire council party to this matter because it is a criminal negligence at the cost of the taxpayer.
On 31st August, during the court proceedings, Advocate Padiyar appeared before the court and he produced one resolution of council meeting dated 7th August 2019, saying that we need time, 3 weeks time, to work out the modalities of payment and settlement. One side he is saying that we need 3 weeks time to work out the modalities and immediately agrees to payment of 1 lakh rupees per day. It sounds very fishy. Secondly, after his averment before the court passed an order saying that municipality has to pay 1 lakh rupees up till 30th of September. So after 31st of September, the same thing will continue. And don't be surprised that if municipality goes bankrupt and they might even have to sell this building because it works out a huge amount.